Hi, today I will tell you about a stuttering modification strategy, which is also called a pull-out strategy. In this, we do not stop ourselves from stammering. Instead, we notice the tension when it is coming on our articulators while saying a word and then try to ease it out or slide it out and say the sentence. To practice this, we have to voluntarily catch our stutter, then ease the tension at that moment when it's coming at the articulators. For example, my sentence is blueberry pie is my favorite. So I'm going to voluntarily stutter. Blueberry pie is my favorite. So I did not stop myself from stammering, but I tried to reduce the tension at my lips and then say the sentence. I will give you one more example. Look at that parrot. So look at that parrot. So I am reducing the tension at my lips because that's where the tension is while saying the word parrot, and then I'm going to slide it or ease it out. So this is called as pull-out strategy. If you want to further know about stuttering therapy, please reach out to One Special Place. Thank you.